93% of recruiters plan to increase AI use in 2026. But here's the gap. Nobody talks about most recruiters use AI like a search engine. Generic input leads to generic output, followed by 30 minutes of editing. Top talent acquisition teams use AI as a structured workflow tool, feeding it precise role parameters and communication objectives produces near-final output on the first attempt. Recruiters using structured prompts save 4+ hours per week. The difference isn't the AI tool you use. It's how precisely you brief it. Here are the 10 prompts that actually move the needle. These prompts split across 3 stages: sourcing and job descriptions. Prompt 1 is the bias-reduced job description using inclusive skills-based language under 450 words. Prompt 2, LinkedIn cold outreach. Personalized messages achieve 45% connection acceptance compared to just 15% for generic templates. Prompt 3, multi-touch outreach sequence. 3 messages over 12 days, each with a different angle, avoiding repetition or cliché pressure tactics. For screening and interviews, Prompt 4 provides role-specific screening questions. Prompt 5 is the structured behavioral interview framework using star format questions. This reduces interviewer bias by up to 42%. Research shows structured interviews improve hiring accuracy by 81% over unstructured conversations. Prompt 6. Hiring manager interview prep briefing, a 400-word brief that managers can read in just 60 seconds before walking into the room. Candidate communication. Prompt 7 is the offer letter cover email. Warm and specific, referencing real interview moments instead of generic templates. Prompt 8. Respectful rejection email, direct and honest, under 150 words. A warm rejection protects your employer brand in public spaces. Prompt 9. Pipeline nurture message. Re-engages silver medal candidates with a genuine update. Now, let's look at the anatomy of every prompt that works. Specificity costs 30 seconds and saves 30 minutes of editing. Replace engineer with senior backend engineer, Golang and Kubernetes for near-final results. Prompt 10 AI disclosure language. The Maine and Virginia AI Acts, effective July 2026, require disclosure when AI is used in employment decisions. Always review disclosure language with legal counsel. Regarding data safety, never enter candidate names, social security numbers, or salary details into external AI. Use placeholder names like Candidate A. Your organization's policy governs which tools you may use. Confirm with your IT team before proceeding. Start with your highest friction workflow, spending too long on job descriptions. Use Prompt 1. Passive candidates ignoring you. Try prompts 2 and 3. LinkedIn capped InMail sends in late 2025, so personalization is the only path to pipeline. If interviewers are inconsistent, use the Prompt 5 framework. One rule changes everything. The difference between failure and saving 4 hours a week is the prompt. Generic input produces generic output. Specific input role details, context, objective tone produces near final results. That is the entire framework. Brief the AI like you brief a hiring manager. All 10 prompts and the safety checklist are linked in the description for ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot, or Gemini. Like and subscribe to AI Buzz.